Hi Lisa. So this is a database file which I imported. For all these users, I didn't use their email address. I had to set a dummy email address since we do not know who is going to use the user ID number and the zip postal code to register on the website. So you can now see all those customers on admin side under customers manage customers page. All these users are having existing customer email address, and there are exactly 2,582 customers. Now I'm going to show you some details. So these customers all have customer number. This customer number we are going to transfer to sales orders page, to this block, and then from this block we are going to transfer this data to the customer export file. But it is important that you know on time that you now know how to explain customers how to log in on the front end. So let me show you what they have to do. So okay, so they can use this block, existing dealer block, and now they have to enter their customer number, zip, their zip. So this is the zip. So let me check, this is Nourison, so their zip. And now they have to enter the address. I set the address which I had, the email address. I imported in, let's see where, I imported in company website that attribute, that data. So what they can do, they can now enter here their email address. I'm going to set a dummy email address like this. And here I'm going to enter the password, new password. And now let's see what's going to happen. A user will be automatically redirected to my account page. There is no need to activate these customers. All they have to do, we are going to fix this layout issue. All they have to do here is to update their account information, and here we have that info message. So now once user enters the data here, I'm going just to copy this email address, and now let me show you what's going to happen. The email address which I entered on dealer existing is replacing the dummy email address. Is activated is set to yes. So for this user I'm going to move back, I'm going to set is activated back to no, and that's it. So now you can explain your dealers, existing customers, how to use existing dealer block. Once the account is activated and is taken, another user cannot log in a same way. So only one user can set here via existing dealer. In a case you have a company with multiple users, they can register here, and I assume that we here need customer number or user ID field, which we have here. So in a case they are you have a company with multiple users, they can enter immediately the customer number here. So you are going to inform me, do you need us to add here customer number? I don't know, here is a customer number, in the database is user ID, Juan mentioned it's internal account number, so we have to make sure that end user knows what to enter there. In a case we add additional field on trade registration page. That's it.